Welcome back. My name is MrSchroeter, and I want to thank you for tuning into my channel. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Hit that join button. Join the channel membership. Make sure that you are tuning into all of our uploads, the previous uploads that we've had, as well as our new uploads. Ring that notification bell. And don't forget to subscribe to our other channels, the Nigel Schroeder Show, which is my podcast, as well as the Credit Sensei, which is my other channel, where I'm giving you guys all types of tips on building your business and personal credit. The Cash Couple is another great channel that we have where you're going to get to see some behind the scenes action with myself and Crystal. And don't forget to go back and tune into some of my shorts where I give you guys some of my keys to success and some quick credit tips. Check out our playlist as well as our previous live streams. And with that being said, go ahead and sit back and prepare for the show. All right, welcome back, everybody, and today we're going to talk about a strategy that I talked to you guys about last year, and you can do this with most of your credit cards. However, I wanted to specifically tell you guys about it with Navy Federal Credit Union because this is going to be something you can use to your advantage. Last year when I told you guys about this method, it was used so much after I told you guys about the method that they actually slightly changed it. So I want to just kind of update you guys on where it stands today. So the method that I'm talking about is the Navy Federal Credit Union product change / interest rate reduction. All right. So last year it used to be that you could actually call into Navy Federal at any given point in the year, no matter what the age of your card, and you could actually tell them that you wanted to product change, and they would change you to a different card. And it actually gave you a loophole because you didn't have to wait 12 months to change cards. So therefore, anytime they change you from one card to the next card, they actually also adjust your interest rate according to the current standards and your current standings with them in your credit report. So with knowing this method, now you're able to use it to your advantage because now once a year, whenever your card hits its next 12 months from the last time that you product changed or got an interest rate reduction, you can either keep the same card that you currently have and call in and apply for interest rate reduction, or you can switch the card that you currently have to a different card and get an interest rate reduction. Now, the advantages to this is if you get a higher interest rate on a card and then you go back and apply for a different card and get a lower interest rate on that card, you can always go back after a year and switch those two cards so that you can get the lower interest rate on the card that you use more often, as well as getting the benefits that you'd like on the card you use more often. You also can use this method just to change your interest rate. So now you don't have to worry about product changing to drop the interest rate. You can just call in after a year and say, hey, I've been a good customer. I've paid my bill on time every month. And I wanted to know, is there any way that I can have my bill reduced as far as my APR? Is there any way that you all can adjust my APR and bring it down at all? Once you say that to them, they'll review your account. They'll see the last time that you had an APR adjustment. And if it was more than 12 months before that, then they will go ahead and drop that APR for you in most cases. If they cannot, they will tell you that they can't and it's not going to count against you. And then you can wait, work on your credit report, continue to make consistent and on-time payments, as well as continue to pay down any outstanding debt that you may have, and then you can always go back and apply again. So with that being said, as always, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm glad that I'm able to help you guys by teaching you guys these methods. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.